Hey guys, James here. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but there's been a lot going on with my channel and my future and what I'm going to be uploading, so I guess I just need to start from the beginning about how this all happened. So here we go. This is a quick little story about how I'm going to be doing some new things. So pretty much what happened is I was sleeping and I was having some good sleep, and all of a sudden I start having this vision and I'm like jerking around. All of a sudden I see this guy's face, white beard. I'm assuming it's called like the quad god, pretty much telling me that I'm going to be the greatest quad pilot of all time. I got to start training now though. And pretty much I took it to heart. So literally I've been training for quads for the past month or so, all because the quad god came to me. I'm telling you, the quad god. So that's what happened. I had this dream with this man with a beard, who I'm just going to call the quad god, because obviously if you have a white beard, it means a lot if you say that. So I had this dream. So I've literally been spending the past month and a half only racing quads. I'm now the best in the world. I don't think people will understand, like, you're a 3D airplane pilot while you're racing quads. Have you ever ripped a 5-inch quad? Have you ever just ripped quads like that? I don't think you get it, man. I don't think you get it. Ripping quads is the best. So from now on, all my YouTube channel is going to be about ripping quads, just ripping, only ripping, probably for the rest of my life. I've pretty much been chosen, so I'm the chosen quad guy now. So I'll probably win the Drone Racing League next year. So that's enough for this. I hope you enjoyed my journey. There will be some awesome ripping posted here, just lots of quad ripping, all that stuff, tiny loop ripping, just all kinds of ripping. So I'll see y'all then, and my next video should be out soon.